Alright, this is a video walkthrough of the 2014 and 2015 Freightliner 114 SD roll-off trucks here at RDK Truck Sales in Tampa. This unit has an automatic Allison 4000 series transmission, the 60,000 pound Galfab hoist. And if you'd notice, actually right now it's a reverse mount style hoist, that way you can facilitate a lift axle. This bumper right here is a little different than the normal ICC bumpers that you're used to. Obviously you'll notice that there's no pin right here for the driver to, take the pin out and shift it up. This is an auto fold ICC bumper. So as the hoist raises, the bumper itself tucks in and comes parallel with the folding bar. This right here is also the sliding rear rollers. So that way if the tie strap's in the way of something on the container, the driver can easily slide that forward. If you get inside the cab, you'll see obviously air controlled seats, in-cab battery switch, dash mounted PTO switch. You have everything right there. Engine brake, in-cab air controls, all the necessities obviously, and there's your PTO switch. So let's go ahead and fire it up. We have a nice laid out console, power locks, power windows as well, obviously. Very spacious inside the cabs. It's not really contained or anything, you don't feel claustrophobic inside the truck. Let me go show you exactly how the PTO, when engaged, auto folds the ICC bumper. You can see as the hoist raises, it's obviously the ICC bumper itself is coming up again parallel to the actual bar itself. I'm going to show you a full tucked position. Yep. Just one way that we're making your lives just a little bit easier. A little bit easier. This is our tarp arms as well. We use the Pioneer SARG tarping system, so you can see everything is reinforced with beams. No Chensi aluminum. The actual tarp arms themselves right here slide in and out for adjusting, obviously based upon the height of the containers. You got a hydraulic gantry as well. And here's a view from the passenger side. One thing I'd also like to mention is the fact that With the 114 SDs, they come with a Detroit diesel DD13 engine, which is rated at 450 or 500 horse, depending on programmings. The radios themselves have auxiliary ports, Bluetooth connectivity. Obviously, got your engine brake, trailer brake setup, regen switch, engine brake. And this is the automatic model with the Allison, of course, again. This one is for sale for $158,500 as you see it. That is with FET included. Tarper, hoist, FOB Tampa, Florida. Thanks for watching the video, and hope to hear from you soon here at RDK.